Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to start an appliance repair business. An appliance repair business will be ideal for someone who likes fixing machines. You will be working with different appliances and get a chance to put your skills to work. It is also fun to have a business and be your own boss. I know everyone will agree to that. So, how do you do this? That's what you will learn in this post video. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Business overview. An appliance repair business involves repairing appliances such as garbage disposals, dryers, washing machines, freezers, ovens, and refrigerators. These appliances are not easy to transport, so you will be offering the services at the client's home. Repairmen usually have the tools for repairing these appliances. They travel with them in order to identify and fix the issue in one visit. Industry summary. The appliance repair industry has grown by 0.02% annually from 2014 to 2019. As of 2019, it was a 4.9 billion market. You hear that? 4.9 billion. As the disposable income continues to increase, the market is expected to continue growing too. Industry trends. People are now abandoning traditional appliances and buying smart appliances. This trend is expected to continue. If you are thinking in getting to the repair business, you need to learn about this technology that's called innovation. Repair businesses have to compete with manufacturers. Customers prefer to take advantage of the warranty instead of seeking third-party repair services. The target market. Some repair businesses specialize in a specific brand or type of appliance such as kitchen appliances. Generally, you will be targeting consumers with broken appliances, of course. Required expertise. You don't need a degree, but there are skills that you must have. And personally, I say get a mentor. Find someone local in your area. Uh, Tell them you want to do it for free. Shadow them. You want to learn by any means necessary. Appliance repair skills. You should know how to work with different appliances and repair them. Repair them. It is important that you know how to establish what the problem is and fix it. Problem-solving skills. You will face a lot of challenges, especially as technology advances. You should learn to be resourceful and overcome the issues you will come across. Organization skills. There are a lot of parts to keep track of, more so when disassembling something in invoices as well. Customer service skills is the major key to this. Master interpersonal skills and good phone etiquette. Scheduling skills. Traveling from one home to another can be tricky and you need to always be on time. What are the costs of starting an appliance repair business? The cost will depend on what business model you choose. If you will be traveling to homes, you will need a SUV, van, or something that big, or truck your supplies and tools can be in. A traditional store is nice too, but it may not work with larger appliances. You probably don't need a storefront anyway. You will need at least $1,000 to $5,000 saved up. Here are the common costs. A vehicle, repair parts inventory, repair equipment and tools, diagnostic tools, steps to starting your repair business. Create a detailed business plan. Form a business entity, partnership, sole proprietorship, etc. Choose your location. Apply for the necessary permits and licenses. Of course, you need that. Always check your state laws, what is required in your state. If you need financing, there's another option to that as well. You can get a loan with a low interest rate if you have good credit. Start marketing your business. Obtain insurance. And you can always hire employees if you need to. That's it, guys. Please comment below. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel. See you next time.